today I wanted to talk through some of the breathing techniques in yoga, particularly belly breathing. This is great for anyone. You can do it any time of the day. Also, if you're going to yoga classes or even for your personal practice, I think belly breathing is really important to learn and also put into your practice. So if you're a beginner, I would recommend actually doing this laying flat on your mat because that helps relax the belly muscles, which will help you direct your breathing towards your belly. So you can lay flat on your mat and bring your knees in this position so your belly is relaxed. So that's one way to do it. Otherwise, you can come seated, making sure your spine is nice and tall. And you can sit any comfortable seat of your choice, cross-legged, probably, and you can use a cushion to sit on. So once you're nice and comfortable, which is really important for your belly to be relaxed. So when you're beginning, let's not worry about the counting and the numbers because we're just going to try to assess where our body is today. Some people can do 3 counts, 4 counts, 8 counts. So it really depends on how much breathing you can do, and there's no wrong or right answer. So just notice, and it's not about how long you can breathe for, okay? So place your right hand on your belly, left palm on your chest. Then inhale, feel your belly rising and direct your breathing towards your belly. So the way to do that is a little bit restriction on your throat. So maybe look a little bit down here. So as you inhale, you're taking your air all the way to the down rather than just breathing from up top. And exhale. Push your belly in as you exhale. Inhale. Belly rises as you inhale. Exhale. Belly goes in. So if you're beginning, another technique is also to maybe open your mouth a little bit so you can inhale the air. This is just for the beginning, but once you get used to it, close your mouth. So let's see that. Inhale. Exhale. Belly goes in. Inhale. Exhale. So practice that 10 to 15 times. You can do it seated on your chair, beginning of your practice or the end of your practice. So, and it has a lot of benefits. A lot of times we're only breathing from up top here and not from your belly. And so this belly breathing helps you calm your anxiety if you have asthma problems as well. So lots of great benefits from this belly breathing. I hope you like it and you find this helpful. Thank you.